Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a few ways to get the sum product of two columns of numbers. So what is that exactly? Sum product is exactly what it implies. So you're going to sum the product of a bunch of numbers or an array of numbers. So let's do this the manual way first so we know what we're talking about. And then I'll show you a couple quick and easy ways to do it. So here we're going to multiply each of these values by each other. A lot of statistics formulas and mathematical formulas require this. So 10 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 22, etc. And what I'm interested in is not the values per se, but the the sum of their products. Okay, in notationally this would be capital epsilon x, y. Okay, if you're coming here from a formula in a math class. Okay, now how can I do this without all this work? Not that that was too much work, but there's a couple ways you could do this just in one cell. First off, there's a formula called the sum product, which I've reviewed a few times. Very useful very useful function. Highlight the first array, comma the second. Okay, that's one way to do it. It sums products, right? And another way, which uses an array function, which I think is useful and generalizable, is do this a little more manually. We're going to use the sum function, and inside the parentheses we're going to highlight the first array, then times the second array. And if you had another one like a z, you could keep going with this. Close the parentheses, but don't hit enter. Hit shift control enter, and that makes this an array function, and you get the same value. So 3 ways to get the sum product of two vectors or arrays. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. You choose the one that works for you. Obviously the two on the right were the point of this lesson, to show you how to get this in a single shot. Sum product and array functions will get you this, regardless of how the length of these two vectors. Hopefully this was helpful. Until next time, have a great day.